Okay, we're going to start off showing how to remove the knives from your sickle bar using the Johnson Simple Service tool. Place the knife on the table, pull down on the handle, it's that simple to remove them. You want to wear gloves when you're doing this because these knives are still, although dull, they can still do some cutting on your fingers. Okay, the next thing we want to do is remove the rivets. To do that, set your bar up there on the tool. There's a pin that's set when you pull the handle down. We'll take that rivet right out. Okay, now it's time to install the new knives. You want to be careful. These sharp edges here, they'll cut you. Place your knife on the bar. Put your rivet in. I always take a second rivet, put it in the second hole just to keep it lined up while I'm doing this. Put it in place. Pull down the handle. Your rivet's in place. Take your second rivet. I always just reverse it. It's easier for me to handle this way. Repeat. And there you have it. Once all your knives are in place, you're ready to mow.